Here we're doing a worksheet on number sense called Compare and Order. It says write the number for each group. So here's the group. We're going to write the number there. And then circle the greater number out of these two. So we're going to end up with two numbers, a number for this group and a number for this group. And then we're going to circle whichever one is the biggest. Now these little pictures are actually based off of the rods and singles. So this is what we call a rod. And the reason it's got the little lines on it is because it is made up of 10 of these singles. So one of these rods actually equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we see a rod like this, we can just simply count 10. When we see a single, well, it counts as 1. So here we have this image, and it is got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the tens column, or 40, and 1, 2, 3 in the ones. Right? Looks like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Here we've got 1, 2, 3 in the tens column and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the ones. There it is there. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now we have to circle the greater or larger number. What number is bigger? 43 or 34? Well, we know that 43 is going to be bigger, and when you look at it as well, we can see there's more in the 43 than there is in the 34. So we'll be circling this number. Let's take a look at the next set. Okay, let's take a look at this next set. So here we've got two tens, 1, 2, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. It's just one short of making another 10. We've got the number 29. Here we've got two tens, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So they're very close, but this one up here is a little bigger. 29 is a bigger number or greater number than 27. We're going to be circling this number here. All right, let's take a look at the next set of numbers. So here we have this one up above and this one below. They look pretty close, but let's count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. That's 76. Let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So we have 66, 76, and 66. Well, the greater number or bigger number is 76. All right, so let's take a look at this last group here. Here it is set up, and we can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the tens, but 0 in the ones. And here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the tens, and 1, 2, 3 in the ones. We can see that they're close, but this number here on the bottom, 53, is bigger than 50. So this is the greater or bigger number. Along the bottom it says, write the numbers you circled in order from least to greatest. So we're looking for the smallest number in the front, and that would be this one, 2. 29 is going to be the smallest number in this group that's circled. Let's look to see what comes next. We've got a 3. We've got a 4. Here we go. 4. 43 now is bigger than 29, but 29 is still the smallest. All right, what's going to come next? 53 or 76? 53 is bigger than 43, but it's still smaller than 76, and that makes 76 the biggest number. So 29, 43, 53, 76 in order from the least to the greatest, or the smallest to the largest. How did you decide on the order? Write about it. Well, chose smallest tens. Chose the smallest tens. In this case, 2 was the smallest tens. Then 4, then 5, then 7. So we chose the smallest tens to decide on the order. And that is comparing and ordering, looking at tens and ones, using rods and ones.